Overleaf is a convenient online LaTeX editor, ideal for sharing your work. To get started, go to overleaf.com, sign in, and create a project. Here's one I prepared earlier.
The Overleaf interface consists of three main panels. The Workspace or File Explorer, where you can see all the project files. The Editing space, where you can edit the contents of your documents. And on the right, we have the PDF output. To turn our LaTeX file into the PDF output, click the green Recompile button. When you're ready to share your project, simply click Share. You can give edit or read-only access to specific email addresses. You can also turn on link sharing to conveniently copy and paste a link to a group of people. Finally, to make the most of Overleaf, use the Review tool to post and reply to comments within your project.
Now you know how simple it is. Why not share this with a friend?